Aerating your lawn is a great way to achieve healthier, stronger grass by allowing air, water and nutrients to reach the roots. Hi, I'm Will and I'm going to show you how to aerate your lawn. Let's get into it. Aerating helps break up compacted soil, which makes it easier for your lawn to absorb water and nutrients, giving you a healthier, more vibrant lawn. It's best to aerate your lawn during early spring or autumn when it is actively growing. If you're in the northern state, aim to aerate at the end of the wet season for the best results. Before you aerate, it's a great idea to mow your lawn short. This ensures the grass is trimmed down, making it easier for the aerator to penetrate the soil. If you have an irrigation system, be sure to mark the pipes to avoid damaging them. To aerate smaller lawns, a garden fork is a great method. Simply push the fork into the soil about 8 to 10 centimetres deep, then wiggle it back and forth to open up the soil. Repeat this across the entire lawn, spacing the holes about 10 to 15 centimetres apart. Another option is aerating shoes, which have spikes on the soles. You simply strap them on and walk around your lawn. It's an easy and fun way to get some exercise while helping your lawn at the same time. If you find it hard to penetrate the soil, you may need to water the area and come back to it. This will help soften the soil. Once you've aerated the lawn, follow it with a good water or some fertiliser, giving your grass the best chance to thrive. It's a good idea to aerate while carrying out other major lawn care tasks, like top dressing, as these activities are most effective during the active growing seasons, typically mid to late spring and summer for most areas, depending on your grass type. And there you have it. Aerating your lawn is a simple and effective way to improve its health. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.